This is a silicon manganese slag processing site located in Chongqing. The process begins with a conveyor belt feeding the raw material into a hammer mill, where large slag chunks are crushed into smaller particles, releasing the metallic grains trapped within. The crushed material is then fed into an LTC 6109 jig for separation. A jig is a gravity separator that exploits the difference in settling velocities of materials in water to separate materials of varying densities. In simpler terms, denser particles settle faster and sink to the bottom under the pulsating water current, while lighter particles settle slower and stay to the top. Given the low specific gravity of smelting slag and the high specific gravity of silicon manganese alloys, the jig is the ideal tool for recovering the metal. The waste slag are discharged from the top of the jig, sent to a dewatering screen to remove excess water, and finally conveyed to a stockpile for further processing. The wastewater flows into a sedimentation pond, where it settles before being recycled back to the jig. The concentrate, rich in silicon manganese alloy, is discharged from the bottom of the jig and flows into a concentrate pond. As you can see here, the concentrate we've recovered is exceptionally pure. Due to the high efficiency and reliability of our equipment, the client has expanded their operation by adding 2 more production lines after several months of successful operation.